Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you two ways to make chinchin at home. So if you're interested, make sure you watch till the end to see the two ways that you'll be making chinchin. Grab one egg and mix it in a bowl. Add in your evaporated milk and stir this and keep it aside. Then get your sift and another bowl. Add 3 cups of flour. Don't worry, I'm going to be giving you the full measurements in the description. Okay, sieve your 3 cups of flour properly and then add in your sugar, 1 cup of sugar, and sieve this. I just love to sieve my sugar and flour, just to get rid of any particles in it. Then after doing this, you add in your nutmeg, add in a little salt, and then mix this properly. After mixing, add in your butter. I'm going to be using 250 grams of butter in this video, and after adding that, just mix it properly. You can always use your hands to mix, as I'm going to be showing you. Okay, use your hands to mix this properly. Okay, mix this into the flour, mix it properly. Take your time and mix it until there are no more lumps in there. Just try to mix it properly to get rid of the lumps. After mixing this, we'll be adding our egg mixture into this. Okay, after mixing properly, create a space in the middle and add in your egg mixture and continue to mix this. Make sure you mix properly. Okay, mix until you get the consistency that you want. It's not supposed to be too watery. That's why I used just 1 egg plus evaporated milk. So after mixing, you're going to be getting a dough that is not too soggy and not too hard. Okay, make sure your dough is in this consistency so that you can be able to cut. If after mixing you find out that your dough doesn't give you the same consistency, you can always add more milk to the mixture until you achieve this. Now I'm going to be kneading and cutting the dough. You don't need to knead too much. Okay, after kneading, I'm going to be cutting this into the shape that I want. Okay, after kneading, I'm going to be cutting this into the shape that I want. I'm cutting this using the pizza cutter, but if you do not have the pizza cutter, you can always use your knife, okay, or anything sharp, just to cut this and give you your desired shapes. Okay. So I'll be repeating this for my leftover dough. Remember the doughs I was taking out of the sides of the other ones that I cut? I'm just going to be repeating the same process. Just knead lightly. After kneading, you cut this into your desired shapes. Okay, you don't have to be the same thing, but just cut it into any shape that you really like. Okay, so like I'm showing you what I already did. So I'm just cutting this up because I'm trying to get ready to start frying the chinchin. I'm not really interested in the shapes because the chinchin is not for sale, it's just for our own consumption. Okay, so I can afford to cut this into any shape I like at all. Or if you're like frying for commercial purposes, you can always take your time to cut this into your desired shape. Okay, so after doing this, we're going to go and check on our pan. We're going to heat up our pan. Okay, so I already put my oil on fire, and right now I'm trying to test if the oil is hot enough. How you know your oil is ready is when like you toss in it just one dough, like to check if it's foaming. That's how I usually check. Okay, so right here I've already added my chinchin. Remember, we're frying on low heat, guys, very low heat. And once you put in your chinchin, do not stir. Like wait for 30 seconds before you start stirring or trying to turn it and all of that. Do not worry about the chinchin sticking together because it's going to separate once it's in the oil. Remember to stir your chinchin once it's in the oil to avoid the chinchin from browning. Okay, because if you just leave it in the pot, it might just brown on one side and the other side will not be properly fried. So endeavor to turn your chinchin from time to time, endeavor to stir, so that the chinchin can fry properly. So once your chinchin has fried to the color that you like, remember we are frying on low heat, guys. Okay, we are frying on low heat. We do not want the chinchin to just burn without frying properly. Okay, so like I said, you stir and check. Once the chinchin is brown, golden brown, just like mine, you take it out on a paper towel. Okay, I'm using a paper towel so that the oil can like be drained into the paper towel. You take out your chinchin and set it aside to cool. So like I said before, I'm going to be showing you the 2 ways to fry your chinchin, and this is the first method. So keep watching to see the second way to fry your chinchin at home. So you keep your chinchin, allow it to cool. Okay, allow it to cool before packing. Do not pack it while it's hot. So my chinchin is ready and super crunchy already. So I'm just going to allow this to cool down before packing it. This is my chinchin and it's ready. So I'll be showing you how to fry your chinchin using your air fryer. So you just continue from after where you kneaded and cut the chinchin, put this into your air fryer and then set it to 15 minutes. My air fryer only goes as high as 200 degrees, so that's how I fried it. But please endeavor to check your chinchin at intervals, say 3 to 4 minutes, to avoid the chinchin from burning. And so guys, our chinchin is ready. I really love and prefer the air fried chinchin, so I always air fry the chinchin, this particular chinchin for myself, and the other one I give it to my kids and for other people in the house really. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned a thing or two, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you so much for watching.